Hello everyone, my name is Bongani Zulu from Durban, province of KZN in South Africa. I am a 100 plus guide of MMM. Today I just want to share this small testimony to you guys that on the 17th of June 2017 I requested help from the community of an amount of uh, 2,500, and the system, MMM system, as you can see from the background, allocated 3 people to assist me, and all of them deposited that money into my account without any problems. So another thing that I wanted to know is that, guys, MMM, it's for all of us. Anybody can join. If you really want financial liberation, this is the community for you. Uh, the system is working, and the system has changed a lot of people's lives. That money, it helped me to buy some small things in the house. So I didn't have to wait for the end of the month to buy some things for my family and all. So even you can do the same. You can change your financial status. You can change your family. You can change everyone, your loved ones, and they can change their financial status as well. So guys, please join this wonderful community. There's nothing like MMM. MMM is here to liberate all of us, all of the South Africans and everyone in the world. So just join the system and register your friends and family and become liberated as well. Thank you very much.